With the Tap and Chip card reader, you can easily accept contactless tap and chip payments with the Shopify Point-of-Sale app. In this video, we'll walk through the key benefits of the Tap and Chip card reader, along with how to set up and process a payment. Before we dive in, be sure to confirm hardware availability for your region at the link. The Tap and Chip card reader is a great option for businesses getting started with selling in person or occasionally at markets and fairs. It can also be paired with a dedicated dock for a countertop setup. This card reader connects wirelessly via Bluetooth to a tablet or smartphone and accepts tap and chip payments. It's also a great option for mobile sales with all-day battery life. All Shopify card readers are PCI compliant and follow EMV standards for chip cards. This means that cardholder data is secure and payments are encrypted. All payments are processed through Shopify Payments, Shopify's built-in payment provider offering consistent payment rates and quick payouts. You'll need to have Shopify Payments activated to use the Tap and Chip card reader. Before we dive in, make sure that your hardware matches what you see here. To get started, if you've turned on test mode, remember to turn it off before processing your first sale. Let's pair the card reader with your device through the Shopify POS app. Make sure location services are enabled in your device settings. Press and release the power button to turn on the card reader. In Shopify POS, tap Settings, then Set up hardware, select card reader, then tap and chip. The 4 LED indicator lights across the top will flash back and forth to show that the card reader is ready for pairing. When the name of the card reader appears, tap Connect. The first time you pair the Tap and Chip card reader to your POS device, it will perform an automatic update. This will take approximately 8 minutes. Once complete, you're ready to accept payments. Let's give it a try. From the Shopify POS, tap Products and add your desired products to the cart. Tap View Cart, then Checkout. You'll be prompted to tap or insert a payment card. Have your customer tap or insert with the chip facing upward. Once the transaction is approved, the customer can remove their card. To finish, choose whether you want to provide a receipt along with the delivery method for your customer. And that's it. For more information about the Tap and Chip card reader, head over to the Shopify Help Center.